Okay, hey guys, back for another unboxing. This time it's a fan, because we all find fans really interesting. These ones, in fact, I do. This is a product of Germany, so you know Germans are known for their top engineering with companies like Mercedes, so you know they're going to be good. This is a Noiseblocker fan. It's a BlackSilent Pro. Just some little facts here for you. It has a 40 CFM, as well as 900 RPM it spins at, and its total noise level is 11.7 decibels. It's the 120mm fan version. Has a 6-year warranty, which is nice for any fan. Also, I'll go over that cable management thing in a second. Some more side facts here, so nothing too interesting there, I don't think. Right, so first we have a nice rubber, I don't know what you'd actually call this, to be perfectly honest. It's a nice rubber mounting system. So when you mount it onto your case or whatever you're mounting it to, it will what's the word I'm looking for? It would absorb the vibrations, the noises from vibrations, and make that fan that little bit more quieter. Right, we also have two fan cables, both of which are nicely sleeved. Yes, that is my knee right there. Ignore why I'm doing this, it's just easier for me. Yeah, it's a nicely sleeved black cable. Okay, it's too small for the camera to focus on, annoyingly. Let's see if manual focus helps in any way. There we go, look, camera, that wasn't that hard, was it? So yeah, it's a nice black, you can't even see the cables underneath, or at the end of the cable. So one's 200mm and the other one's 500mm, millimeters, not milliliters. It's not a fluid, is it? Right. Got a Noiseblocker case fan, powered by Noiseblocker, silent by technology, and their website on it. I wouldn't exactly say powered by, because it's a fan, so I would have preferred it to have said cooled by. But I'm not really probably not going to use it anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. Here we have now 4 extended screws, as well as little sort of bolts, all metal. And onto the fan itself. Trying to do it without actually ripping anything. Right, there we go, that's that out. Right, here we go. So here is the fan. One thing you'll notice, no cable. Now, it's not a wireless fan. The idea is if I can, it does have a cable, but it finishes there. Then if I wanted a 500mm length of cable, I plug it in, and that would be my, if I can actually plug it in. Oh, there we go, and there we go. I've got a 500mm fan cable. But let's say, actually wait, 500mm, 500mm. That's too long. I don't need something that long. Let's use something a bit shorter. You know, no more bundling up spare cable in the corner of your case, or having to cut the cable to size yourself. It's automatically been done for you. If you want longer than 500mm, you've got 700mm by combining these two. If you need longer than that, then you should probably got a massive case, and you need to sort something out, because you shouldn't need longer than 700mm, to be perfectly honest. States here it's a BlackSilent Pro PL1 900 RPM. Very nice looking fan. Stay tuned. Next I will do a little noise test for you so you can see just how silent these fans actually are. It's raining outside. And yeah, also for some high detailed, high res pictures of this fan, head over to my Facebook page, which is a link in the description. But next it's time for the fan controlled test. Okay guys, so this is the fan plugged in via Molex, and is that exactly, oh, camera won't stand up on its own, okay, exactly 900 RPM. And as you can see, it is very quiet. That's the mic with about a centimetre away from the fan. So as you can see, it moves quite a bit of air. So let's give these, I'm going to have to put these up and see how they go. Remember to comment, rate and subscribe. Like I said, for some high res pictures of these, head over to my Facebook page. Thanks for watching and goodbye.